Hello and welcome to our video on the future of AI in money making. In this video, we will explore how AI is changing the landscape of money-making opportunities, and what the future holds for AI-based jobs and business ideas. Section 1: AI-based investment strategies. One of the most promising areas where AI is revolutionizing the world of money-making is in investment strategies. AI-based algorithms are able to process vast amounts of data and analyze market trends to predict the best investment opportunities. These algorithms can help investors make informed decisions that can lead to higher returns on their investments. Section 2: AI and stock trading. AI is also transforming the stock trading industry. By analyzing historical market trends and current news, AI can make accurate predictions about the future performance of a stock. This can help traders make better informed decisions and increase their chances of making a profit. Section 3: AI and cryptocurrency. Another area where AI is making a significant impact is in the world of cryptocurrency trading. With the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies, it can be challenging for traders to make the right decisions. However, AI can help traders predict market movements and make more informed decisions. Section 4: AI-based personal finance. In addition to investing and trading, AI is also transforming personal finance. There are now AI-based personal finance apps and tools that can help individuals with budgeting, investment, and savings. These tools use machine learning to analyze your spending habits and provide personalized financial advice. Section 5: AI-based jobs and opportunities. As AI continues to evolve, it is creating new job opportunities and business ideas. For example, AI engineers, machine learning experts, and data scientists are in high demand. Additionally, businesses are using AI to improve their operations and increase efficiency. Section 6: Future of AI in money making. As we look to the future, the potential for AI in money making is immense. With continued advancements in AI technology, we can expect to see even more opportunities for AI-based jobs and business ideas. It's an exciting time to be part of the AI revolution. Conclusion: thank you for watching our video on the future of AI in money making. We hope that you have gained valuable insights into how it is transforming the world of money making and what the future holds. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI technology.